On this video, you're going to learn how to make an Oatstraw Nourishing Herbal Infusion. I am pouring in fresh Berkey water into my pan. I'm turning on the stove and I'm going to heat up the water and wait for it to boil. And as the water is heating up, I have a basic scale, kitchen scale, and I have this little thing that it makes it easier for the herbs to go into the mason jar. This is a half-gallon mason jar, and I get my herbs from Frontier Co-op, and this is Oatstraw green tops, and it's organic. So I buy it from Frontier Co-op. They have an amazing deal. So I make sure my scale is on 0 and it's tiered. And then I'm gonna measure 30 grams, which is an ounce. It's a lot of herb because herbal infusion is not a tea. This is a lot of herb, is 1 ounce, which is 30 grams, as you can see here. I am doing 2 ounces because I'm doing a quart for me and 1 for my husband. So I am doing this twice. As you can see, I am measuring 30 grams and I did it twice. So it's a total of 60 grams or 2 ounces of oat straw dried herb material. Once I measure it, I put it in the mason jar. And yeah, basically, if you wanted to do it just one, you would only do 1 ounce, which is 30 grams. I normally keep my herbs in the bag so it can stay fresher, and I close it in the bag because it's sealed from like light, destroying the freshness, and I just put a rubber band. This is how I close it. A lot of people like to keep the herbs in glass, but I feel that they don't last as long and they're not as fresh, so I prefer to do this. Once the water has boiled, I pour the water. In this case, I need 8 cups of water because I am doing 2 quarts of Oatstraw Infusion. If you were to do just 1 quart, you will need 4 cups of hot boiling water. And in this case, I'm doing a half gallon of a mason jar. Again, if you're doing just 1, you will need a quart mason jar. And now that I have poured in, I let the Oatstraw steep in my little table overnight. It's nighttime. It's about like 10 p.m. And yeah, I just let it steep for about 8 to 10 hours. And this lovely Oatstraw infusion will be ready to be strained in the morning. And I'm also going to show you how I strain the Oatstraw. And here you can see some of the stuff steeping of the Oatstraw. Oatstraw is so good for you. Oatstraw is delicious. It's so good for your nervous system. It's good for your libidos. It has testosterone. It has so much calcium. It's gentle. It is so nutritious. It's better than taking a vitamin pill. Highly, highly recommend. Oatstraw Infusion is one of my favorite. It's so delicious. So in the morning, I grab a Pyrex, and I am going to be using this mesh strainer, and I'm going to decant the Oatstraw into the strainer. As you can see, some people have better techniques than this, but this is what I have available, and that's what I'm doing. So once I put all the nourishing herbal infusion, I just squeeze the Oatstraw to get all that yummy nutrition out of the herb plant material. And what I do is, after I do this, I either give this to my indoor plants, and they are doing so wonderful. This is so beneficial for like your indoor plants because it has so much calcium and minerals. And if I already gave them my indoor plants some of this, I actually put this outside and compost to the earth. Now I am pouring into individual mason jar, 1 for me and 1 for my husband, the Oatstraw Infusion. And I highly recommend you drink this between 24 hours to 36 hours, as it does go bad. This is like food, so it has a shelf life. And normally I put it in the fridge I like it cold and I drink it throughout the day, you know, and it's just super delicious. It's super economical. It's great for you and your body. You will love it. I hope you do give Oatstraw Infusion a try. It's so yummy, so good. And now here I am about to give the herbal infusion compost to my plants. They love, absolutely love herbal infusions as well. And I'm about to take a delicious gulp of this nourishing herbal infusion. Oatstraw, I love you so much. Thank you for watching. You have a blissful, blessed, and beautiful day. Satnam, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.